I always thought the typewriter in my attic was a quirky relic, a forgotten piece of history that had never worked. Yet, every morning, it sat on my desk with a new page of text, articulating my dreams I barely remembered, but always left me uneasy. The typewriter described my fears with chilling accuracy, secrets I never dared to voice. One night, I dreamed of drowning in an endless sea, a terror I'd never faced. The next morning, the page was soaked, ink smeared, as if the typewriter had whipped my nightmare. I couldn't stay away. Compelled by a mix of dread and curiosity, I decided to confront whatever force was behind this. As I placed my fingers on the keys, the attic door slammed shut, and the room grew cold. I heard a whisper in the clattering of keys, "Face me." My heart pounded as I realized the typewriter wasn't just revealing my fears, it was demanding I confront them.